1. In the Certified Reliability Leader (CRL) framework, adult learning principles are best applied when a reliability leader A. Provides only technical manuals for employees to study independently. B. Engages staff in discussions that connect reliability goals to their daily tasks. C. Avoids interactive methods to save time in training sessions. E. Uses a single standardized approach regardless of workforce experience. 2. A reliability leader is designing an evaluation method for a new preventive maintenance program. Which approach best aligns with CRL principles? A. Relies solely on management reports without feedback from technicians. B. Use standardized checklists with no opportunity for qualitative input. C. Combine performance metrics with employee feedback to assess effectiveness. D. Eliminate evaluation to reduce training costs. 3. Which curriculum development strategy most effectively supports reliability culture? A. Developing modules that are isolated from organizational goals. B. Designing training that connects maintenance practices to business outcomes. C. Reusing outdated material to minimize costs. D. Limiting content to regulatory requirements only. 4. A mentor in a reliability program demonstrates best practice by A. Giving all solutions without fostering critical thinking. B. Encouraging mentees to link reliability concepts to real-world scenarios. C. Restricting guidance to formal training sessions only. D. Avoiding feedback to prevent discouragement. 5. In the CRL context, communication is most effective when it A. Focuses solely on technical jargon understood only by engineers. B. Reinforces organizational values while explaining reliability strategies. C. Prioritizes speed over accuracy to save time. D. Excludes frontline workers to streamline decision-making. 6. A key adult learning principle applied in CRL training is A. Memorization drills without application. B. Active participation and problem-solving opportunities. C. Extended lectures with minimal interaction. D. Limiting content to theoretical concepts only. 7. When designing evaluation methods for CRL training, which ensures compliance and effectiveness. A. Ignoring regulatory standards to allow flexibility. B. Aligning metrics with industry regulations and business KPIs. C. Using informal feedback alone without documentation. D. Applying the same evaluation regardless of program goals. 8. A reliability leader applying mentoring techniques should A. Create structured opportunities for reflection and application. B. Focus exclusively on technical skills, ignoring soft skills. C. Impose strict directions without dialogue. D. Avoid tailoring mentoring to individual learning needs. 9. A communication breakdown in reliability leadership often occurs when A. Messages are adapted to the audience's role and experience. B. Critical information is not shared across cross-functional teams. C. Leaders engage staff in two-way dialogue. D. Reliability metrics are connected to business objectives. 10. Curriculum development for reliability training should prioritize A. Theory-heavy material without practical relevance. B. Regulatory compliance only, excluding innovation. C. Continuous updates to reflect new reliability standards and practices. E. One-time content creation without revision. 11. Which evaluation method best measures the impact of reliability training on performance? A. Employee satisfaction surveys alone. B. Key performance indicators aligned with asset reliability improvements. C. Informal discussions without records. D. Counting training hours completed. 12. A certified reliability leader fosters a culture of learning by A. Linking training programs directly to organizational purpose and goals. Avoiding staff input to maintain authority. C. Limiting training to upper management only. D. Using outdated training methods for consistency. 13. In the CRL framework, communication about asset management goals should A. Be delivered only to reliability engineers. B. Emphasize how reliability contributes to the organization's overall mission. C. Avoid connecting goals to individual responsibilities. E. Use highly technical reports inaccessible to most staff. 14. Mentoring is most effective in reliability leadership when A. Feedback is withheld until the program ends. B. Guidance is ongoing and encourages mentees to solve problems independently. C. Mentoring sessions are rigid and standardized. D. Mentors avoid discussing failures to maintain positivity. 15. When designing the CRL-aligned curriculum, which feature is essential? A. Practical exercises that simulate real reliability challenges. B. Exclusively theoretical material from textbooks. C. Preset training with no room for adaptation. D. Removal of collaborative activities to save time. 16. In adult learning, reliability leaders should ensure training is A. Abstract and theoretical to demonstrate expertise. B. Problem-centered and directly relevant to workplace tasks. C. Controlled strictly by management without learner input. D. Focused only on long-term strategy without short-term application. 17. An evaluation method that fails reliability standards would be A. Post-training knowledge checks integrated with on-the-job assessments. B. Annual reviews that ignore actual reliability performance data. C. Continuous monitoring of reliability KPIs post-training. D. Regular audits combining compliance and performance metrics. 18. A communication plan supporting reliability culture should include A. One-way announcements from leadership only. E. Open forums for feedback and knowledge sharing. C. Technical documentation without translation for non-specialists. D. Confidential reporting to limit transparency. 19. In mentoring new reliability professionals, leaders should A. Use case studies to illustrate asset management decisions. B. Avoid real-world applications to prevent confusion. C. Emphasize compliance only without broader skills. D. Deliver identical advice regardless of context. 20. When developing a CRL-aligned curriculum, what ensures sustainability? A. Continuous integration of updated industry standards and lessons learned. B. Reliance on legacy material from past training programs. C. Isolated design without input from practitioners. D. Prioritizing regulatory compliance while ignoring innovation. 21. Adult learners in reliability programs are more engaged when A. Content is immediately applicable to their daily responsibilities. B. They are required to memorize information without application. C. They have no opportunity to ask questions during training. D. Learning is restricted to management-approved scenarios only. 22. Which communication practice undermines reliability leadership? A. Tailoring technical information to different learning levels. B. Delaying critical updates to prevent employee overload. C. Using visual aids to connect reliability metrics with outcomes. D. Encouraging dialogue about performance improvements. 23. A key evaluation method for CRL certification programs is A. Outcome-based measurement, connecting training to asset reliability. B. Counting the number of training sessions delivered. C. measuring only regulatory compliance without linking to results. D. Ignoring feedback from learners. 24. A certified reliability leader ensures regulatory compliance in training by A. Integrating regulatory requirements into curriculum and evaluation tools. B. Avoiding discussion of standards to focus on efficiency. C. Training employees only after an inspection. D. Delegating compliance entirely to external consultants. 25. Mentoring effectiveness in CRL programs is demonstrated when A. Mentees apply learned skills to improve equipment reliability metrics. B. Mentors control all outcomes without allowing mentee input. C. Sessions focus only on organizational compliance documents. D. Mentors discourage experimentation with new approaches. 26. A curriculum designed under CRL principles should A. Connect reliability practices to cost savings and organizational value. B. Avoid financial discussions to maintain technical focus. C. Focus only on short-term technical fixes. D. Be developed without considering learner feedback. 27. Adult learning strategies in reliability leadership emphasize A. Experiential learning through problem-solving and simulations. B. Memorization of reliability terminology. C. Passive listening to lectures with no engagement. D. Trading content detached from workplace context. 28. Evaluation methods in CRL programs should prioritize A. Linking training outcomes to measurable improvements in reliability KPIs. B. Using attendance rates as the sole measure of success. C. Ignoring maintenance metrics to avoid complexity. D. Relying on anecdotal evidence instead of data.